Hi there everyone, and welcome to ASP working in 4-channel mode. Okay, this is a new feature only just added to ASP, and it'll be available in the version 4 software, version 4 update. You'll be able to operate ASP now on 4 channels and 6 channels, as well as the usual 7 channels, which is of course the best way to control ASP. So what we have here, I've got a DX5E. Many of you guys will be familiar with that, and I'm running here a tiny little Spectrum receiver. It's only a 4-channel receiver, tiny little guy here, and that means of course that channels 5, 6 and 7 that go into ASP are now free. So if you run 4-channel mode, you'll have 3 spare wires. The 4-channel mode is designed to be as simple as possible. There's really nothing for you to do other than connect it up properly, I guess, and turn the tank on. Because you have, well, on this particular radio, there's no controls. You only have your sticks. There's no switches, so you can't turn the tank on. When you power up, if all the signals are correct, the engine sound will start up straight away. And the other thing too is that there is no volume control. There's no knob on here to control the volume. So the volume starts up, and it starts up at maximum volume. Basically made, because I don't know anyone who doesn't really run at maximum volume anyway. And pretty much that's exactly how your Tamiya systems work. No one seems to complain about that. You have got a little micro pot in there to adjust the volume on your Tamiya tank, but you know, you can't do that when the Tamiya tank's running, and everyone just has that basically set to full. So basically, you know, it is basically operating as much as a Tamiya tank as it possibly can. It's really ultra simple, no-brainer mode. So what we have here, now remember the first input on ASP is your steering control. So you need to connect up that 3-pin connector to whatever your steering control will be. And in this particular case, it is the aileron channel. Okay, so that goes into your aileron channel. Your throttle, the yellow wire, will connect up, in this case, luckily, the throttle channel. Leaving your gun control, which is your elevator, on the orange, and your turret control, in this case rudder, on the green. So you just connect up those 4 cables. Now, as I said, when you power ASP up, if it's in 4-channel mode, it will, and everything's correct, just get that out of the road, the motors will start up, the engine will start up automatically. Okay, not only will the motors start up automatically, as I said before, the volume will come on and the volume will be at full volume. So I guess that's basically because you don't have the extra functions for the control in 4-channel mode. There are, I guess, the trade-offs that have to be implemented. But other than that, it provides very simple, easy operation for ASP. So we'll turn our radio on and have a look at it. Radio on, we'll turn ASP on, and again, as I said, the volume will get pretty loud. So, and so I've got the speaker far away and pointed away. So we'll turn it on. Now I have ASP set up here in IR mode, and the reason for that is so that when I fire the guns, it'll happen straight away, rather than waiting for the airsoft motor. And there we have the, once Mako has initialized, engine will start up automatically. Okay, and she's right to go. So throttle, as you can see, you still got that really nice slow speed control available with ASP. And going to reverse. You notice too, I don't have a centering lever here on the DX. Again, some of you guys may not, so I want to show you how that all works. You have no control of your lighting, of course, but you do have your turret control and your gun control. Now I haven't got a turret motor connected, but that will provide provide you, your turret control. I do have an elevation motor connected. So you have back and forth connection if you, of course, put the elevator motor into that connection on the ASP. And I guess the only other thing to show you is other gun functions. Now, of course, again, because there is no switches, it's a rapid movement of the stick full up or full back to turn the guns on. So here we go. There's your machine gun and cannon. And wait for the reload period to be over. Okay, so there we have it. ASP 4-channel operation, can't get any simpler, no programming required. Simply plug and play with the cheapest 4-channel system you can possibly find. Thank you.